Let me share with you an important chapter in India's legal history, the Indian Councils Act 1861. This act was like planting a small seed in India's journey towards self-governance. After the 1857 Rebellion and the Government of India Act 1858, the British realized they needed to involve Indians in governance, even if just a little. So, through the Indian Councils Act of 1861, they allowed Indian representatives to join the Viceroy's Executive Council, but only in a limited role. These members could discuss laws, but had no real power to make decisions. Why is this act significant? It marked the first step toward including Indians in legislative processes, though it was more symbolic than meaningful. Still, it gave Indians a platform to voice their opinions, and this was a big deal at that time. This act also laid the foundation for future reforms and influenced the structure of governance that inspired our Constitution. It taught us the value of representation and set the stage for demanding greater participation in lawmaking, a journey toward democracy.